Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's another episode and I'm coming with tamarind juice this time. And tamarind is very good, and I'm going to top it up with my ginger. You know, my ginger lady, and my lemon. Okay, let me just tell you the benefit of this thing. You might see it and it looks simple to you, but it's very helpful. It's help to manage your diabetes, and it help to reduce inflammation. The lemon is for cold. The ginger is good for pain, belly pain, head pain, arthritis pain. You have to take time in the car, just, hard to take care of. All right, here goes. Okay, here's my tamarind, and I'm going to throw hot boiling water on it for 10 minutes. See, water well hot. Okay, I'm just gonna prepare the ginger. Already wash it, so I'm taking off some rough edge. Okay. Ginger is very good. That's why I use it in most of my stuff. Make this stuff taste so good. Okay. That's my ginger here. I'm gonna put it in the blender and put it on stir. Feed out. Just for the seed to come out. You see it? See the seed? Okay. And then I have to put back this in the blender. Just take out the juice. Wow. Guys, this is how it looked when we took out the juice from it. See all the seed? See? So this is all the remain. And see it here now? I'm gonna put it back in the blender and blend the juice. Okay. My tamarind in it. Oh yeah, nice juice. Some tamarind sweet and some sour. Not so sweet, but it have a little sour taste. That's why I use one lemon. My lemon juice. Okay. Half a cup of sugar, brown sugar. You can use any sugar you want, white or brown. Okay, I'm gonna sweeten it for the taste. Oh, my brown juice. So guys, this is tamarind, my ginger, my lemon, and my brown sugar. Okay. I put hot water on my tamarind to soak it. Then I use the cold water to blend it. So we don't need ice. But if you want, when you're drinking it, you can put some ice. Wow. I'm gonna taste. Mmm. Wow. And the first I've been tasting tamarind juice. It's very nice, delicious, refreshing. Wow. Okay. It's really cool. I don't need ice with it, okay? I use the ice water. Mmm. Wow. Let me get a taste. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's very delicious and nice. Ozzy, come here. You want to taste this one? Come and have a taste.
Let me taste it.
It's tamarind juice.
Oh, yes. Mmm. I never know tamarind juice is so nice. I heard about this juice, but it's so delicious. This one is taking life. Oh, my. Mmm. I'll drink this all day. Mmm. Guys, you're missing something. Mmm. Darling, this is so sweet. I enjoy every minute of it. Mmm. Thank you for this knowledge juice. Love you.
Okay. My husband gone with that, so let me fill another cup for presentation. Okay, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave us comments down below. Let me know how much I'm doing, okay?